So, good morning, everyone, once again.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Aradhya, Divit, turn on your camera. Nishwa, turn on your camera, please. This is the last time telling you for turning on the camera. After that, I will just remove you directly from the class.
Ma'am, you have to write this.
First of no need to write anything. Just this I have done for my preparation. I will let you know what to do with this. Don't write anything. Just listen. Let me start the class. Okay, everyone, please open page number 63. Page number 63 of your textbook. How much to pay for this junk? Children, as you know, the first question I have already explained you on the board. We have already done in the class. Have you all completed the first question?
Yes.
Okay. So now please read the question. Manya, can you read how much to pay for this junk?
Yes, ma'am. How much to pay for this junk?
Wait,
Kiran has
Manya,
bought.
wait, Manya, wait. Divit and Vedant, this is the last warning. Turn on your camera, please. Divit, please turn on your camera. And last, otherwise, I will remove you from my class, bacha. Sorry for that then.
Ma'am, which page number?
63.
Ma'am, may I start?
Yes, please.
Yes. How much to pay for this junk? Kiran has junk from junk collectors. Look at the next page, the rate list to see today's rates. Help Kiran to find out the cost of the junk. How much will Kiran pay for 31 kg newspapers? 1 kg newspaper costs rupees 5. 30 kg costs rupees 5 multiplied by 30 is equal to 150. So for 31 kg she pays dash rupees.
Very good. Stop.
Ma'am, can I say?
Stop. I will call the child name. No child will speak in between the class. Now, children, whenever you visit to the junk seller, you always find this kind of a rate list, which I am showing you on the screen. There you will find the rate list. Why they write the rate list? Because it is convenient for the people who are coming to sell the junk. It was easy for them to check what is the price of their junk. Here the rate list is given for the 1 kg. If you have more kgs, you calculate accordingly. And when we have for one item and we need to calculate for many, we multiply. Right? So here the kind of the junks are, for example, waste paper, rupees 4 per kg. Am I audible to you all clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Newspaper rupees 5 per kg. Iron is here not the press which we do. हम उसको भी iron कहते हैं कि clothes को iron कर देते हैं. That is not the iron. Iron here is the metal, right? Like rods and all लोहे के जो भी चीजें होती हैं वो iron होता है. And that is rupees 12 per kg. This is not the fixed rate, bacha. It depends. This is the example given to you. When you go to the junk seller, there you will find the actual price. ब्रास इज ऑल्सो अ काइंड ऑफ अ मेटल विच इज रुपीज 170. ये भी एक ब्रास भी एक ब्रास की भी एक चीजें आती हैं. प्लास्टिक, यू ऑल नो प्लास्टिक मटेरियल विच इज प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स वगैरह आती है, वो भी हमारे लिए वेस्ट होती हैं. सो फॉर दैट ऑल्सो वी गिव इट टू द जंक सेलर. सो द रुपीज 10 is the for the 1 kg. So this is the price list which most of the junk seller they keep at their outside their shop, so that the customers, those who are coming, they can calculate the price by their own also. सब कभी कभी हमें ऐसा लगता है कि उसने हमको कम पैसे तो नहीं दे दिए, but they always keep this rate list so that we can check. So now here they are telling to check you the price. How much will Kiran pay for 42 kg newspaper? अगर उसको कोई 42 kg न्यूज़पेपर देने के लिए आया है और उसकी रेट लिस्ट है कि सॉरी 1 kg न्यूज़पेपर इज रुपीज 5, तो 42 kg न्यूज़पेपर का प्राइस क्या होगा स्टूडेंट्स? हु विल टेल मी?
Ma'am, Anya. Ma'am,
Yes,
can I say? Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
Moksha will tell. Manya, wait. Moksha,
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
tell me.
Ma'am, the answer of 31 kg of newspaper will
Okay,
be
okay, you are telling for the 31. Yes, we need this also. Here also it is given according to the rate list which is on the next page, which is on the 64. So 1 kg newspaper is rupees 5. So 31 kg newspaper is of how much?
ma'am 155.
155. Yes, very good. So wait, I will stop the presentation so that I can call your names. Yes. Now next, turn the page number 64. First question A. 22 kg, no, 42 kg newspaper. Vedant, what will be the price of 42 kg newspaper? Because 1 kg newspaper is rupees 5.
Okay, ma'am. 2 minutes, ma'am. I will calculate.
42 multiplied by 5 you will do and find the answer.
5 twos are 10.
Ma'am, can I
5 twos are 10 and
Hmm.
0 1 on and 4 5 fours are is 20.
So 1 carryover will also be added.
21.
200,
210.
200 so this is 210 what? Paisa, rupees, kilograms, grams, milligrams, what it is?
Rupees.
For rupees, we use in the for the Indian currency this symbol.
kilogram?
Earlier we were using RS. Now the symbol is changed. It is this symbol for the Indian currency for rupees. So always write this symbol for the Indian currency before you write the answer. When
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, Manya.
And now in the checks we write RS, so it will be correct or wrong.
When you write in the chat box, it will be correct because you don't have an option for this symbol.
No, ma'am, not chat box.
Then with checks,
Check.
sometimes people write, then also it will be correct. Both symbols are working.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. In the chat box, we have only the sign of.
Yeah, I was thinking that she is asking for the chat box only. So chat box also you can write RS because you don't have this symbol in your laptop or your any electric gadget. Now we go to the A. Bhavya Sagar. A is 22 kg of plastic. So what is the price of 22 kg plastic?
Ma'am,
20.
RS is short form of rupees, no?
Yes, RS is the short form of. Bhavya, are you calculating, Bhavya Sagar? 22 kg plastic. So 22 kg and the plastic 1 kg is 10. ये तो बहुत ही easy है.
22 on 10.
एक जीरो ही लगाना है भव्य लास्ट में. 22 ones are 22 and add the zero at the back.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
No, Aradhya. Aradhya will tell me now. Aradhya, what will be the answer? 220 rupees, 220. Write the answer in your textbook only. Now next is C question. 12 kg of iron. 12 kg of iron. Nishwa will tell me. Nishwa, what will be the price of 12 kg iron?
12 kg
Iron.
iron.
Yes.
12.
Yes.
So we multiply 12 multiply by 12. It's 144.
Excellent. Very good. 12 multiplied by 12. 12 multiplied by 12 is 144 rupees. Have you all written in your textbooks, everyone? Yes or no? Show me thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So, children, after doing these questions and calculating the price, what do you think? Which topic is covering here? We need to learn about
Multiplication.
money. Multiplication तो हमने किया ही. So the next topic is related with money. The next topic is related with what?
Money.
Money.
Ma'am, means we will learn about that international way.
No, we will learn about the Indian way only. We are
Ma'am,
learning about the
we
Indian
will
system.
learn about currencies.
Yes, we will learn about Indian currency. So the Indian currency is known is in rupees or paisa, right? Yes or no,
Paisa
students?
are the coins of 50,
Yes, ma'am.
50
Yes.
paisa.
Yes. So if I ask one question from you all, the currency in India is what? Money, paisa, rupee. So what it is?
Ma'am, can I say?
Paisa.
It is rupee, you will say.
Rupees and paisa.
Rupees.
Paisa.
जब आपके पास रुपीज और पैसा दोनों ऑप्शन है तो आप किस पे क्लिक करोगे? इंडियन करेंसी का जो सिंबल यूज है इट इज इन रुपीज. सो वी विल से द इंडियन करेंसी इज इन
Ma'am, rupees.
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 Now my next question is, there how many different forms of money? There are two different forms of money. Notes and
Coins.
notes and coins.
Coins.
Yes. Notes and coins. Now I want to show you, children, when you buy some things from the market, for example, fruits, vegetables, grocery items, clothes, shoes, anything, books, stationery. So when you buy, what you pay? You pay in
Rupees.
Notes and coins.
money. You need to pay in money, right?
Money.
Then only you will get the things in the exchange. Yes or no? When you buy the things, you pay money and you will get the things.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Now please pay attention here. The next question is which is little different. And pay attention and use logic and tell me the answer. If I tell you, if I already inform you, when you are buying some things, some objects, then you are paying money. When you go to doctor, why doctor is charging money from you? He is not giving you anything.
Ma'am, I can say.
Ma'am, can I say?
Dania will try.
Can
Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Dania. Will you try, bacha? Why doctor has charging money? Why he is not giving us anything? Is he giving us anything, Dania?
Ma'am, he is giving us medicines.
Okay. अगर medicines भी नहीं दिखता है. Some doctors they are. Wait a minute. I will call you. Please raise your virtual hand. Unmute your mics. Some doctors they don't give medicines also from their side. They just only do the checkup and they write the medicine and you have to buy from outside. तो उसने पैसे charge किया.
Ma'am, may I?
Mania, raise your virtual hand, bacha. I
Ma'am,
will
can
come.
I say?
When Dania will not give me answer, I will come to the other student. Yes, Dania.
Ma'am, if he gives us that we have to buy this medicine, so he tells us that if we will buy that and eat that, so we will get well. So the medicines will work.
Okay, but for what? Yes, Anne. Can
Ma'am,
you give me
because
the
we are
proper-
sick, that's why.
We are sick. That's why he's charging money from us.
Ma'am, can I say?
Because we are doing checkup from him.
Okay. So that is called what? वो हमें check कर रहा है. He is giving us what? Anne, can you try? Like
He is
teach.
checking.
Yes, he is.
He check up. So what is in our body? He tells.
Okay, he is doing checkup. For that he is charging. Teachers are teaching you. School is taking fees from you. Yes or no? Are the teachers giving you something in the exchange of money?
Yes, ma'am.
What they are giving?
And teaching.
Now, Manya, you tell me.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
Wait a minute. Now check.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Manya, tell me.
Manya? Yes,
Tell
ma'am.
me.
The teachers give us education, so they pay. So we need to pay fees.
Yes. So, children, this is the common word we use. So, the common word which we use for them is the services which we are getting in the exchange. We are getting services from them, right? For example, doctors, helpers, lawyers. Lawyers के पास जाओगे वो भी आपको कुछ exchange में कोई goods तो नहीं देते हैं ना? They are giving their services to you. Got it? So now I am going to show you one video on this.
Hello, ma'am. I
Yes,
want to
please.
say something.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, that if someone says that this thing is of 200 and we give 300, so the shopkeeper or who is there, he will give us 100 rupees back because we have paid
Yes, yes.
rupees too.
Yes, that we come in the further in the next classes.
Today, let's learn about rupees and paise with Hello Kids. We all know that we buy goods like grocery, fruits, vegetables, clothes, and other items in exchange of money. We use the services of people like doctors, lawyers, helpers, plumbers, carpenters in exchange of money. We pay them in rupees and paise. In India, we have coins and notes of different denominations. They are Now, let's look at some examples showing different conversions. 1. How many coins of 5 rupees make a 100 rupees? Think.
Now, next child, Niva. Niva, how many coins of 5 make 100 rupees?
100,
100
50,
coins.
50.
How 50, bacha? 50 coins of 5 rupees.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I say?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Ma'am,
I want
may
others.
I? Ma'am, may
Kashmi.
I answer?
Kashmi will give me the answer.
What, ma'am?
How many 5 rupees coin make the 100 rupees?
Ma'am, the 5 rupees coins make 100. Like 1 rupee is making 50.
How many 5 rupees coin make 100?
can I say?
Bhavya Sagar.
Ma'am, can I?
Bhavya Sagar, you calculate Kashvi and write it in the chat box. Don't think that ma'am is giving to chance to next child. Then you will not give. Bhavya, yes, give me.
Ma'am,
20 coins.
Very good. 20 coins of 5 rupee make the 100. And how you will find out? You will 100
Ma'am, by
divided by...
multiplying.
No, 100 divided by 5 will give you 20. Got it, everyone?
Ma'am, we can do like this also, like 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. So if we
Yes.
add 1 0 to 2, so it will be 20 and 20.
There are many methods of solving this, but easy method is this only. Go to the next one. 10 coins of 10 make the 100, right? When we take 10 rupees each note, so 10 rupees notes make the 100. 5 notes of 20 make the 100. Got it, students? 2 notes of 50 make the 100 rupees. 5 notes of 20 make the 100 rupees. So this I am explaining you. Now I will come to the next point. Wait, let me stop this. First, I want to ask, lower down your hands, everyone. Listen my question and then raise your hands. Lower down, everyone. Rajvi, Dhyan Patel, Rajvi Nakhre, Kashvi, Rajvi Lahoti, Vihan Dobaria. Lower down your hands, everyone. Let me take the attendance for a minute and then listen my question very carefully and then give the answer. And those who are keeping the camera off, please turn on your camera. My first question is, what is money and why we use money? What is money and why we use money? Who will give me this answer and raise your hand? Yes, Niva.
Ma'am, money is one thing that we buy with things, and we give money to people, and the people give us the things we need.
Very good. Money is in the form of what? किस पे होता है? Who will tell me? Money.
Paper.
Yes, paper. Money is printed on the paper, like the denomination जो भी उसका 20 rupees है, 30 rupees है, that is printed on the paper. So क्या वो money को print हम घर में कर सकते हैं?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Listen my next question very, very carefully and then raise your hand. My next question is, as you all said, we cannot make the money. Then the next question is, from where we are getting the money? Money print कहाँ होता है?
Ma'am, in factories.
Bank.
Tej Kumar, you know the answer?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Aradhya, you know the answer? Yes, tell me. Where?
Ma'am is bank.
Bank. Okay. In which bank, but? You will tell me. Which bank? Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, money bank.
Money bank. Which type of money bank? Rajvi Lahoti is asking
Can I
government.
say?
Someone has given the answer.
Ma'am, Rajvi Lahoti, government.
Okay, but government, which is the head of the banks, is
Ma'am,
also called the,
reservation.
you
RBI.
are you told the RBI.
Reserve Bank of India.
Ma'am, RBI.
Children, if you all speak together, no, then I will not able to correct anyone. Someone told me the name I heard in my ears, that is RBI you are telling. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
RBI is the Reserve Bank of India, is the mother
ma'am.
bank, is the mother bank of all the banks. The RBI is only having a permission of printing the money. Right?
I was saying that only. But
And
I
that
forgot.
paper is also the special paper which is used. The machine is also the special machine which is used. There is a governor sign also on the money, on the original money. Governor sign is also there. You can see Mahatma Gandhi photo also will be there on all the currency notes. Why? Because he is the father of the nation. Yes or no, students? That's why Mahatma Gandhi picture is also there on the Indian currency. So RBI is only the bank, is the mother bank, is only having a permission of printing the money. Got it, everyone? And the full form of RBI is Reserve Bank of India. Full form of RBI is Reserve Bank of India, and Reserve Bank of India is the mother bank. Got it? Can I move to the next question?
Yes.
Ma'am, I was saying that only, but I forget the name.
Yes, you
that-
are very close, but I think Vedant or someone has given me this answer.
Ma'am, Dania Ghode.
Dania gave me. Okay, very good, excellent. Now my next question is, earlier when there was no money, wait a minute students, when there was no money, but still the people were using the goods and the services. Can you tell me how they were using?
Ma'am, by
Ma'am,
trading.
can I say?
Ma'am, by trading.
By trading. Which type of trading, bacha?
Ma'am, trading like if I give you some clothes
Hmm.
and you will give some food in return.
Very good. This system was known as the barter system in earlier days. The system is called the barter system. Barter system में क्या होता था? Money से dealing नहीं होती थी. They were exchanging the things from each other. For example, if I am producing a lot of wheat and Manya is producing a lot of rice, so I exchange with Manya that give me rice, I will give you wheat. So earlier the people were exchanging the things. That system was known as the barter system. Got it, everyone? Are you noticing the terms which I am
Ma'am,
using?
barter system.
Yes, barter, BARTER, barter system. Got it, everyone? Are you all noticing the terms which I am using? The
Yes,
barter
ma'am.
system was the system when they were not dealing in the money, they were exchanging their things. Got it? Now go to the next. My next question is, how many 100 rupees to children? I will show you dummy rupees also. Can you see which note is this?
Ma'am, it's
100
100 rupees.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
100 rupees.
100 rupees.
I want to give 400 to Niva. So how many 100 rupees notes I will give to Niva?
Four.
One, two, three, and the four. 400 rupees I will give to Niva. Okay. Now I have 50 rupees note now. Same. Please mute yourself. I have 50 rupee note now. Same 400 I want to give to Dhyan Patel. So now it will change. How many 50 rupee notes make the
Ma'am,
400?
8.
Sorry, 8.
Excellent. 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 Now I want to give 100 rupees to Suchi Mali. So Suchi Mali, I want to give you 100 rupees, but I have 20 rupees notes of each. So how many 20 rupees I will pay?
Ma'am, 5. Ma'am, 5.
Four,
Ma'am, six.
Ma'am,
Who
5.
is saying 6? Danya, 6 is wrong. 5. 20 plus 20 is 40, plus 20 is 60, plus 20 is 80, plus 20
Two
is...
fives are 10, so that's why.
Yes. 25 is 100. Okay.
Yes.
I
Ma'am,
have...
hello, ma'am, because if there is 10 and we have to make 100, it is 10. So if it is 20, so it will be 5.
Now check here. I have which note here with me?
Ma'am, 2000.
2000.
2000.
2000 note. Means your identification with the notes is clear. You can easily identify which note is this. Yes? Everyone can easily identify which note is this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am,
2000
and
rupees
also
note.
there is written on it.
Yes.
And
So
there
this
is
is...
pink note of 2000 also.
Acha, color say also you can identify the pink note is 2000 also.
Yes, ma'am. And the Gandhi Bapu's picture is also the other side.
Oh yes. In all the notes, if you can see, the Gandhi picture is on the right side. No, we can say the left side of the note. If you're holding a note like this, so in the left side. But in the 2000 note, the Gandhi and the 500 note, the Gandhi Bapu's picture is in the middle of the note. Very good, Manya. Good identification.
Thank you, ma'am.
So now if you see, this is 2000 note. How many 500
Ma'am, I
notes?
also have fake note.
So how many? Very good. You explore it at your home. How many 500 notes make the 2000?
Ma'am, 4.
How many? How many? 4. Very good. So I want to ask few more questions. Now, children, I will ask you questions with the conversions. You all know 1 rupee makes how many pesos?
1 rupee makes how many paisa?
Yeah, in 1 rupee note, how many pesos are there? 1 rupee
Ma'am,
equals to
50 paisa.
100
100. 100. Ma'am, 100 paisa.
1 rupee, rupee 1 equals to 100 paisa. And children, always remember the symbol which you are writing for the rupees, always write before the number. And when you are writing the symbol for the paisa, always write after the number. You cannot write paisa 100. You will write always 100 paisa. And when you writing about the rupees, you always write the symbol first and then the rupees, whatever the rupees. If 20 rupees, so rupees 20. If 100 rupees, rupees 100. You cannot write 100 first and the back you write rupees. No. Always write the symbol first and write the number afterwards. Got it? So 1 rupee equals to 100 paisa. So if I ask from Vishrut, 2 rupees is equals to how many paisa?
200 paisa.
Very good. 200 paisa. Niva, 6 rupees equals to how many paisa?
600 paisa.
Very good. You are multiplying 6 by the 100. Kashvi, 12 rupees equals to how many paisa? Kashvi,
12 rupees is 1. Ma'am, 12 rupees is equals to
1200 paise.
1200.
Very good. 12 multiplied by 100 is 1200 paise. The next is the number of paisa in 1 rupee. How many paisas we have already discussed in 1 rupee?
100.
Okay. How many 25 paisa coins makes the 100 rupee? How many 25 paisa coins makes the 100 rupee?
Ma'am, 2.
No, two
Ma'am,
coins
4.
make the 50.
Ma'am,
25 plus 25 is 50 only, Tej Kumar.
Ma'am,
We
4.
want-
Ma'am, 4.
Ma'am, it will be 4.
4.
Yes,
4, ma'am.
Ma'am,
4.
yes.
because if it is 20, so it will be 5. So now it is 25, so we will minus 1.
Yes. Got it, Manya? Got it, Dhyan Patel? Got it? 25 multiplied by 4, you will get the 1 rupee. So 4 25 paisa coins make the 1 rupee. Now my next question is, how many 50 paisa coin make the 2 rupees?
Ma'am, 4.
Yes. Now question is of 2 rupees. So 50 plus 50 is 100 and next 100 also you will make, so 4. Now next question is, how many 10 rupee note make the 500? How many 10 rupees make the 500?
500. 500. Ma'am, 500. Ma'am, 500.
10 500? No,
Ma'am, 500.
Ma'am, 50.
50.
50.
500 divided by 10, when you do, you will get the number of notes. Got it, everyone?
Okay.
So thank you, students, for today's class.
Bye,
I will
ma'am.
send you the Google form based on the today's concept.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Thank you.